If these adventures are making you jealous, that means you're ready to get yourself a Bedrock. Hey there, it's Scott from Yakima, and if you've got a truck, then we have the gear for you. It's called a Bedrock, and it turns your truck bed into a Swiss Army knife. It's easy to install. Just install the tower onto your Yakima round crossbars. Yakima crossbars come in 5 different sizes and are sold separately. Then, install your crossbar setup onto your truck bed, making sure the towers are equal distance from each other. Tighten the bars with the included Allen wrench. Then, place the black adapter on the clamping hardware. Drop the clamp into the tower and tighten. For trucks with tracks, use the longer track adapters. Then clamp down the clamping hardware and lock. Boom, bed upgraded. Now you can load up those crossbars. Install bike mounts, snow mounts, boat mounts, even cargo boxes easily. If you've got more Yakima gear to add, try our SKS Same Key system. It replaces all your lock cores, so you only need one key to secure everything. With the Bedrock loaded, you now have double the space for other gear to go in your truck bed. The Bedrock rocks indeed. So what does it all mean? Gear goes here, friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.